Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Forex News, where I share the latest updates on the US dollar and other currencies. Monday market. Global markets tread cautiously today. The US dollar holds its ground while investors wait for the Fed's big meeting this week. Meanwhile, rising tensions in the Middle East add another layer of uncertainty. Dollar, calm before the storm. The dollar index, a measure against major rivals, sits steady at 103.53. But remember, it's close to its recent 6-week high. This calmness might be temporary, with the Fed meeting looming. Fed in focus. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve will announce its policy decision. While a rate cut is unlikely, investors are eager for clues about future adjustments. Strong economic data and cautious central bankers have tempered expectations from December's dovish surprise. Inflation puzzle. Data shows US inflation continues to cool, staying below 3% for the third month in a row. This begs the question, does the economy really need aggressive rate cuts right now? Europe's balancing act. The European Central Bank held rates at a record high last week, battling inflation. However, traders predict rate cuts starting April, highlighting the delicate balance between inflation and growth. Yen's roller coaster. The Japanese yen strengthened slightly against the dollar but is still down roughly 5% in January. Investors are adjusting their expectations of when the Bank of Japan will tighten its ultra-loose monetary policy. Geopolitical jitters, adding to the global unease. A recent drone attack in Jordan targeting US forces raises concerns about regional security. This could temporarily boost the safe haven yen. Stay informed. This is just a snapshot of the complex financial landscape. Subscribe for more updates, analysis, and insights to navigate these ever-changing market dynamics. Remember, share your thoughts and questions in the comments below.